Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Today, we'll walk you through how to remove the FRP lock on Samsung devices, covering flagship models like the S25, S24 and S23, along with a series phones and even Samsung tablets. FRP, or Factory Reset Protection, is a built-in Android security feature that can lock you out after a reset by requiring the previously synced Google account. So next, let's take a look at how to remove it. Before we start, there's an important disclaimer. This tutorial is intended strictly for educational use, and you should only perform these steps on devices you have legal ownership of. With Samsung's newer models and updated One UI systems, many older FRP bypass tricks have already been patched. If you've already tried rebooting or resetting the device, and you're still stuck on the Google account verification screen, this indicates the FRP lock is deeply integrated into the system and can't be removed using basic methods. Because of that, we need a solution that offers higher success rates and better stability. Here, I recommend trying 4UK for Android, which recently added support for Qualcomm's new chipset and Android 16-based systems. An EDL engineering cable is required for this process, and it's widely available on online marketplaces such as Amazon or eBay. Once you have everything ready, you can follow these steps. First, power off your device. You can press and hold the volume down and power buttons to bring up the power menu, or simply keep holding them to force the phone to shut down. Next, connect the EDL cable to your computer. On your phone, press and hold both the volume up and volume down buttons. Then, while holding the EDL cable button, plug the cable into your phone. After counting down 3 seconds, begin tapping the volume buttons. You'll need to press volume up and volume down a total of 15 times, and do not release the EDL cable button during this process. Once completed, you can release all buttons. It's important to note, seeing a charging symbol indicates the device did not enter EDL mode successfully. At this point, your phone will remain on a black screen, but 4UK for Android will move to the device selection screen. Select your phone model accordingly. If you're unsure which option to choose, you can identify it by the model suffix letter. If the wrong option is selected and the removal fails, simply repeat the process. Then click Next to start removing the Google lock. The entire process usually takes about 1 minute. Your phone will then reboot and display the welcome screen. From here, continue with the setup process as normal. The Google account verification step will be completely bypassed. Once setup is complete, you'll be able to use your Samsung phone without restrictions. Once again, please do not use this method on devices that do not belong to you. It is imperative to comply with local laws and regulations, as well as all ownership provisions. Alright, that's the complete process for bypassing FRP on Samsung phones. If you'd like to try this method yourself, you can find 4UK for Android in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the tenorshare channel for more up-to-date tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.